Extract edges in AutoCAD 3D. You have a 3D model. In this 3D model, edges only you need. You are going to use the edges for some other purpose. You can extract these edges very easily using this tool. This tool available inside Home tab, and if you click here you can see extract edges. The same tool, if you go to solid, and here it is extract edges available. I just select this extract edges, and which object edges you require, just select the object and enter. Now the edges are extracted, and go to the move command and select this 3D object, enter, and just click the base point and place it wherever you want. Just place it like this. Now you can see the 3D model, the lines are extracted like this. You can click this one, you can see this is single normal lines and arc like that one. Okay, like that you can extract your any 3D objects edges, and you can use it very easily using this tool.